Welcome to the ETSU D2L video series. My name is Chelsea Dubé and I will be your guide throughout the series. The purpose of these videos is to demonstrate the use of various tools in D2L and to help implement some best practice workflows for your online, hybrid, and traditional courses. The videos in this series can be viewed in sequence as well as individually. If you have any questions about the materials covered in this or any D2L resource video, please contact D2L help at etsu.edu. Now let's get started. To begin, Desire to Learn, or D2L for short, is the primary online learning environment used by East Tennessee State University. Within the learning environment, an instructor is able to create and organize course content, facilitate online discussions, receive electronic student submissions, assess a student's learning comprehension using online quizzes and exams, grade student work using interactive rubrics, and calculate a student's grade using the robust D2L gradebook. You can navigate to D2L several different ways, but the easiest way is to access the site directly by its URL. Simply type in elearn.etsu.edu in your browser's address bar. It may be a good idea to bookmark the site for future visits. You will land on the D2L login page. Before logging into the learning environment, it is a best practice to run the system check to make sure that the computer system you are using has the proper updates, add-ons, and extensions that may be needed to get the most out of the learning environment. D2L is supported across all browsers, but some functionality is not available in Internet Explorer. This tutorial series will use Firefox, but rest assured that other browsers, such as Google Chrome and Safari, will work just as smoothly. A link to the D2L resource site is available on the login page. Visit the D2L resource site for written documentation and step-by-step guides of the materials covered in this series. Some other links of interest include a login link to the RODP D2L site. Now, students enrolled in RODP courses cannot access those RODP courses through the ETSU D2L. RODP students must access the RODP D2L instance. Clicking the Login to RODP Courses hyperlink will take a student to the RODP D2L. Also, if you're having trouble accessing the learning environment, you may need to reset your ETSU password. Clicking that Reset Your ETSU Password hyperlink will take you to a page that will allow you to do just that. Enter your username and password into the username and password fields and then click Login. Once you've gotten logged in, you'll land on the My Home page. This My Home page consists of two major areas, the minibar and widgets. The minibar is that black bar that spans across the top of your browser window. It contains several features that makes navigating this learning environment a little bit easier. For quick access, the minibar is found at the top of every single page in D2L. You can click the My Home link to return back to this My Home page. Click the Select a Course link to drop down a menu of all the courses that you have access to. This menu will list all the courses regardless of semester or your role in that course. You can pin a course to the top of the course selection menu by clicking on the pin icon located to the right of the course name. Once you've clicked on the icon, that pin will turn orange. Refreshing your browser and navigating back to the Select a Course drop-down will show you now that your pinned course rests at the top of this menu. You can unpin a course by clicking the icon. The icon will turn gray, and when you refresh your browser window, that class will filter down into a date of last accessed or alphabetical listing order in the Select a Course drop-down. The Alerts panel provides an at-a-glance notification center that alerts you and your students when one of the following has occurred. If you or your student receives a page or an instant message in the learning environment, you will see a red dot in the top of the envelope icon. Clicking this icon will allow you to go to the pager or the instant messaging tool in D2L. It will also open up the email tool. A red dot in the notepad icon is a notification that one of the following has occurred. A new news item has been posted in a course, a learning activity is coming due or closing, or a student's grade item has been updated. Instructors typically do not receive notifications in this notification section. If there is any activity on a discussion board topic or thread that you have subscribed to, you'll receive a red dot notification in the chat bubble icon. Clicking on your name in the minibar will open your personal profile and account settings options. This menu may also contain role switching once you're inside of a D2L course. Role switching is the ability to assume a role that is different from your assigned role in the learning environment. That way you can view your course through a different set of eyes. For example, role switching to the student role will allow you to view a course as students do. This feature is a great way to confirm that the dates and restrictions you place on your learning activities are working as you intend. You can update or add a profile picture by clicking the profile link and then clicking the change picture icon. The News widget located on the My homepage contains information regarding the status of the learning environment. It also contains important messages about expected downtime, common issues that are coming up within the learning environment, some policies and procedures, as well as update information. The My Courses widget contains access to all of your courses. Now, this widget is organized by role, semester, and then by department. So you must choose a role, a semester, or a department to narrow down the courses that appear in your My Courses widget. You can also collapse or expand a particular semester by clicking its title. Here I'm clicking on the Spring 2015 semester heading to expand my semester courses. I can click on that heading once again to collapse that semester. Now, to open a course in D2L, you can do that one of two ways. You can click on the course's title from this My Courses widget, or you can select a course using the Select a Course drop-down menu. Just simply click on the name to enter into a D2L course.